and this is my daughter, Elf Head Ava.
Hi.
Hi. We are here for day 6 of Vlogtober. For those of you who are new here, we are doing advent calendars, and then I am sharing 25 days of my top WW favorites. I will put a timestamp down in the bottom for the advent calendars and for the WW content. So if you only want to watch one, just look down below and you can click on the time and it'll take you directly to that point in the video. However, if you feel so inclined to watch both of them, we would really appreciate it. Anytime we can get with you is time that helps us grow our channel. All right, Aves, you look so excited. Is it because you have elf legs on your head? All right. So, you want to show them which advent calendar we starting with today?
12 Days of Beauty Big Lots.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh, she's going to like this one.
I can get it out.
Can you eat it?
We're not doing this again, Mom.
I feel like you can.
We have peppermint flavored lip balm with a canary on it. If I'm right
That's a
about
cockatiel.
that. Oh, it's a cockatiel. Oops.
So, peppermint flavored lip balm. Let's smell it.
Ooh, it's
Oh, it's green. Now, let's see what Chaos Jen gets for her coffee for day number 6. This is what the inside of our advent calendar looks like. Ava, stop hitting my calendar. You licked it. You weasel head. Ew.
Is that chocolate?
This is Newman's Own Organic Newman's Special Blend. Profits to charity. I wonder what profits they go to. Well, that's what that looks like. I don't know that I've had Newman's Own before. Have I? It sounds familiar, but I don't know. So excited to give that one a try. All right, Ava, you ready for the Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty? Ooh, that looks like another mask.
It's a hair mask.
A hair mask. Good, because my elven locks need some love. All right, what's it look like, girlfriend?
It looks like this.
Trader Joe's. Gotta angle it down because there's a glare. See, look, if you look in the camera, there you go. A hair mask. And does it have any information on the front of it? That's the back. There you go.
Yeah.
Can I look too? Yeah. It really doesn't. It has directions on there, but you can't read it. So cool. Hair mask. Ava, good deal. High five on that one.
No.
Oh, quit kicking me. Quit kicking me. Oh. If you knock over this tree, your dad is going to... I am so leaving that hairstyle in. Your dad is going to spank your butt. Is that not supposed to be a hat, maybe? Well, whatever. All right, while Ava puts her hat on, I'm going to get into day 5 of our Glossy Box Advent Calendar. Hairball again. Every day we get a hairball. Ooh.
I get the product.
Get. What do you think you're doing? All right, this is hard to read. Polar. Is there in English?
English?
La Véritable Crème de la Pony. It's hand cream. Ta-da! Look, it's in another, like, it's in French or something up there. So, yeah, that's what I was trying to read. The Genuine Lapland Cream with 3 Arctic berries. I got Arctic berry hand cream. And it has a safety seal, so we're going to have to wait and use up our marshmallow cream that we got last week in Trader Joe's before we get into this one.
I'm not making any faces.
I hope you're not making faces. I didn't make faces during yours.
I'm making faces at the camera.
That's still making faces. All right, guys, that is everything that we got for day 6. Now let's get into my WW favorite. or back. What did you guys think? Do you guys like to eat that too? Let us know down in the comments. All right, if you haven't already, guys, if you give this video a thumbs up, we would truly appreciate it. If you're not a member of our YouTube family yet, guys, we would love the chance to get to know you better. Please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. And until next time, happy holidays and keep on smiling. Bye, guys.
Bye.